Yo! It's me, the person that does the videos. So today I got a fun new thing for you guys. We've been sponsored by Pixel Studio, which is absolutely lovely. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks on my phone, so I can sit on my phone on the couch and do some Pixel stuffs. You can also use it on your iPad. You can use it on your desktop, which I found out recently, and I'm very excited. That's what I'm using here. So you can draw. They've got, you know, undo and redo. They got a transparent thing here. They let you do canvases in the usual sizes for like pixel games, which is 16 by 16, 32 by 32, 64, and 128. Which is great because I've actually been working on my own pixel art lately for a game, which, you know, obviously it's nice to have something preset so I don't have to keep making it myself, which is nice. So I'll go over a couple of things in this because I really like this program and I want more people to do pixel art. Please send me your pixel art if you use this because it's free. And I just want people to spam me with pixel art because I like pixel art a lot. First things first, tutorials. There is no excuse, guys. You can't tell me I don't know how to pixel. It is here. You can go and have the basics of the pixels and then you can just spam me pixel art. And I can't do anything about it because you did it. You learned how to do the pixels. So there's no excuse here. I just want people to spam me with this stuff. So you got different tutorials that you can use. You've got a preview button so you can see, oh look, that's what it looks like when it's tiny pixels, which is great. There's this one too. That's the real size of pixel art. So that's the real size when you want to go tiny. That's what it would look like if you just, you know, used it as you'd made it. So for premium members or pro members, they also have Google Drive Sync, which that's obviously one of the nicest things to have. You can basically like move your files around between your phone or your iPad and your computer so that you can just work on one on the go when you've decided to just go out somewhere. They have their own little communities. I'd like to mention their Twitter and Instagram specifically because they have contests that they come up with every now and then. They also post a lot of their users' artworks and stuff for you to have a look at and to share inspiration with each other, which is a really nice little community that they have there. They even have like a little assistant. Look how nice Alice is. Good job, Alice. So another thing that they have here, this is really cool. I really enjoyed this one. So they have like an entire network where you can post your stuff. Obviously you have to log in for this one, but you can post all your stuff and you can pretty much just like see what people have been making. So this one was made at 50 by 50. You can change the canvas size to be something other than the typical ones. And it tells you who made it. You can go through, you can see which ones are brand new. You can see the ones from people you're following from like 7 days ago, 30 days ago, your favorites as well. Like, look at this. This is gorgeous. This is a great place to be able to just see more pixel art and give yourself like more inspiration as well. So in the actual program, we have layers, which this is probably one of the better things to have in any art program because obviously there are points where you find you need layers a lot more, especially with like so many things going on. If you want to put like a mist over the top of something, etc., you need layers and stuff like that for that. But, you know, it's fun to also just be able to make your character just a head or put a body on it and then just take it off again at your leisure, because why not? That's all I use layers for, really. They also have, for animators, they have a very useful thing. So you can clone a frame and then you can, I'm going to erase this so I can make him blink. Okay, we have a blinking sun. So yeah, we'll just fix that. There we go. So now he blinks. So you can change the timing and everything of this stuff. So the frame delay is for all of them, or, you know, like you can choose to have one, I think, less than the other. And then you can have onion skinning on, which is great. So I definitely recommend using that. You can also go forward and backwards a frame so that you can see what you're doing or move them around. They also have layer settings here, so you can get the palette that you were using, which replaces the palette at the very, very top. Obviously, I only have one color, so it only put one color up there, and it was the same color that was up there before, so nothing really changed. You can add your own images, merge layers, etc, etc. So there is a lot that you can do on here. They have this too, which I'm just gonna point out. This is great. This just leads to so much fun. We'll just there you go, we undo it. That's how you fix everything, is just with the undo button. So obviously, because I changed the palettes up here and I didn't actually change them to anything, we'll change them to something that's actually useful this time. So if you go up here, you can pick any color you like, which is nice. I love being able to pick the color things. Making a blank palette, I don't really want to do that. You can load one in, but haha, look at this. They have so many palettes in here, and they are really nice ones. Like this one is huge. Then we've got like these ones. I would quite happily use some of these. I like the brighter colors, like the sweetie one. But these have been put in by different people, so you can like put in your own if you want to as well, which is great. And they pop up here. You can also like add your own colors in here. So if I just want like that color, probably without that, but you know, that's okay. There's a lot of options here. They also have one of my favorite tools I think I've ever seen in a thing. I'm just gonna put this on a new layer. So this is my favorite thing. So they have a gradient tool. Look how nice this is. So with the gradient tool, you can pick what color you want it to end on, and it'll do that. And then you can pick how many colors you want. So if I want 10, it'll give me 10 colors. If I want 20 colors, it did. It gave me 20 colors. Look at that. That's awesome. That's probably one of my favorite things on here. Just because then you can pick your colors. So it's just like, if you want a sunset color, there we go, that's better. You can also have like this little Sprite Library. I really like this thing. This is pretty cool. So you can get like little pixel stickers and stuff, and you can just put it somewhere. Perfect. Yeah, so this is probably one of my favorite programs that I've had in a while, especially when I'm trying to use something on mobile. Because drawing with my fingers is not particularly a pleasant experience, I find. Normally because I'm just not very good at it and I can't see what I'm doing. So it is nice to have a program that has another option for that actually, and you'll see me use that in a speed paint that's going to sit over the top. Yeah, I hope you guys pick it up. Please spam me with just your own pixel art that you've made because you decided that, you know, pixel art is an amazing art form and you really wanted to give it a try. If not, then, you know, like you can just stare at everyone else who's spamming pixel art, because someone better spam pixel art or I'm gonna have to do it myself. But yeah, no, I hope you guys pick it up and I hope you enjoy it. Like there's a lot of fun in pixel art and it's nice to see more programs specifically catering to it. So check out Pixel Studio, have a look at their social media, and you know, just getting excited about like the kind of stuff that you can make in here. Send it to me and I will see you guys next time. For now, just, you know, sit back and enjoy the speed paint that I did while on my phone.
Yoink!
Hey,
Thanks, buddy.
give it back! Hey, Kimiko! Come back here!